What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And before we start this gun review, I just want to show you my new setup I just got. Do a bunch of cool new stuff that I couldn't do on my tiny laptop. Samsung 27-inch curved monitor with its keyboard, its desktop tower over there. It's really lit, guys. So we got a full new setup to edit my videos. So let's get back into the gun review. So guys, welcome back to the gun review. And today we have a Colt Peacemaker, a replica of the actual Colt Peacemaker from the 18th century. It is made by Umarex, one of the rarest brands I've ever reviewed on this channel. So this is my first Umarex BB gun I will be reviewing. So let's see what this company has on our hands. So I ordered on Amazon because my local retailer didn't have any of these bad boys, Peacemaker. And I could definitely feel that weight on my hand right now. This box is heavy. I mean heavy. At least probably like 10 pounds. Probably. Or a little bit less. 5 pounds maybe. So let's unbox this thing. I like the box and everything. It looks like wood. Actual wood. But it's not. So let's open this thing up. First thing we get, the gun. Of course. Oh damn, has a lot of weight on it. Oh shoot. Almost feels like an actual gun on my hand. You full cock it, shoot, half cock, wait, half cock, and then full cock, shoot it. And I believe it is 6-rounder. Yes, it is a 6-round pellet gun. So I think you have to open this thing up, and over here you bullet. So guys, we got a bullet out right here. Full metal jacket bullet, not an actual bullet you could shoot on this gun. Of course, you put the pellet inside this little tiny hole, pull it on the gun, and then boom, full cock, shoot. And that is how you shoot this gun. And of course, it's CO2 powered. Just so you know, it's not just a regular gun that you can actually shoot without nothing. That's the bad thing about this gun. I don't like CO2 powered handguns, because they basically run out of air so fast, and you have to keep buying air tanks and everything. So let's read the specifications from the back of the box first before we go try it outside. The trigger is single action, so it's single action. It's a single action revolver, which means you can't just keep shooting it. It's not automatic. You have to reload it, cock it back every single time. The caliber is .177. The ammo is pellets only. You can only put pellets on this gun, no BBs. Sights. It doesn't really have sights. It just has fixed front and rear sights. So you kind of can't really aim on this thing. Just look at these. And the safety is manual. The barrel is a rifled barrel. The barrel length is 4.5 inches. Danger distance is 300 yards. Capacity 6 rounds, so it can only fit 6 bullets. The power source, of course, 12 grams CO2 capsule. Velocity is 380 FPS, which is alright, I guess. 380 FPS. I thought it was gonna be more. So that is the specifications for this gun. And so far, I kind of like this gun. But now we have to go try it outside to see how good it actually is. So guys, here we have the gun, and I have some glass colognes over there that are basically empty. I'm about to shoot them with this thing. And if it can't break them, have a backup gun that will cause breaking the car. But everything will be captured by the slow-mo camera up front where the targets are. And it's still not loaded, but it does have an air tank inside. I'll take a seat. Let me just put the pellets in it. Okay, there guys, there we have it. It's fully loaded. So now all we have to do is shoot the targets. They're really small, so I don't know if I'm gonna hit them, because this thing does not have a really good aiming sight. out of rounds already, so we shot all 6 rounds, and I heard I don't know, I think I did hit the glass cologne, but I don't think it cracked it. So backup gun time. Here it is, guys. Backup gun. It is a Crossman shockwave. This thing will definitely break the whole glass if I could aim at it, because it moves you around pretty hard when you shoot. I think I did hit it. Did I hit it? If you guys captured the slow-mo camera, I don't know if I did hit it or not, but I'll see if when I'm editing the video if I did hit it, but I think I hit the top of it. Okay guys, here is the results. So Mountain Dew, it didn't make a hole on it. It's still inflated. If it would have made a hole on it, it would have been disinflated, but it still has air on it, as you can see. And perfume looks brand new, just the top fell off. It's over here. I shot the very top, so it wasn't a good shot, so that's why it didn't break it. Guys, round 2. Let's try this thing out.
Available in today's market. Upgrade your sounds today and start making hits.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and that is gonna be it for today's review. So if you guys think this gun is expensive because of the power it has, no, you are wrong. The price is pretty high because of the material it's made of. It's literally full metal, and it's a really good gun. I mean, like, it's good for shooting. I killed a bird last time with it, so that proves it's pretty strong. But it's not the strongest I've seen, and totally not the force I was expecting for $116. But it passes a 5 stars rate. I'll give it like a 6.5 from 1 to 10, a 6.5. And if you guys didn't notice throughout the video, I've been wearing my merch. I just released it, boys. Go link in the description. $25 each. Sorry guys, I haven't released it out to the public, but this is my merch. I made it for me, just for me. And if you guys would like to buy it, just like the video, and if there is enough likes, I'll probably put them for sale and make my own website. So make sure you guys smash the like button and comment down below if they look good, like from 1 to 10, how would you rate it? And it's a really dangerous look, like it has a dangerous look, like a rock star look. And if you don't know what SGP is, it's basically Savage Gaming Productions. So we got the S and G and the P, just like the logo in my YouTube channel, and just that the skull is in the middle. I don't have a skull on my logo. It's like a little blue triangle. But this is my merch, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button, and once we become even more famous, I'll release it. I'll release more merch, different designs, not just this one. But this is an idea of what my merch will look like, and I designed it myself on a website and I ordered it online. Pretty cool. So see you guys on the next video.